If you want to download offline maps on your Apple Watch, you can only do that by using your iPhone. So first of all, on your iPhone, you will have to open Maps application, the Apple Maps for sure, not the Google one. Next, when you are here, go to the right upper corner on your profile picture and you have to go into the offline maps. Now, as you can see, we have to click on the plus over here and we have to pick the city that we are looking for. So let's say I want to add some New York offline map. And right now, by moving those like so, we can actually change position. So we can basically make this map bigger or smaller. So let's say I want to get from the Long Beach offline map. Now I have to click download. So this selected area will be actually available. And now there is the downloading process. And we have to also make sure that we are connected into the Wi-Fi or mobile data, because when you are only connected to the Wi-Fi, when you set this to the Wi-Fi and you are connected only to the mobile data, you will be not able to actually download them. So make sure that you switch also to the mobile data in this case. Also make sure that you turn on this one to synchronize with Apple Watch, and also only, this one. And right now it will actually transfer this map into your Apple Watch when you click on it over here. And you have to click to download now and basically wait until it will be available on your watch. And if you want to find it on your watch, you have to just simply open that Apple Maps application. So it's over here. Yeah, we have to actually accept some permissions for the first time when you are using this application. And now when you click over here in the search, we can actually find settings. And as you can see over here, I will be able to find offline maps. Let's do this one more time. There we go. It's taking too much time. So if you have the same issue, we have to just basically restart this application. Let's open it another time. Go to the right bottom corner. Over here, you have to click on the right upper corner. And here you can find offline maps on your Apple Watch. So in this case, as you can see, the New York Long Beach is downloading.